Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mel.Holistic. I am Mel, short form for Melissa. Do you find that your hamstrings are very tight and that it's very painful when you try to stretch your hamstrings on certain occasions? Well, let me teach you an easy and simple to follow method that you can do every day when you wake up or just before you sleep to increase the flexibility of your hamstrings. Right, once you're ready, grab a mat and a yoga belt or maybe even a towel, and let's begin. Right, once you have a yoga belt with you or even a towel, you can follow me and lie on the mat or lie on your bed. So this is a pose or a way to increase the flexibility of your hamstrings, and this is the safest method that you can do every day in the comfort of your bed. So what you need to do is just keep one knee straight, let's say our left knee straight, bending your right knee, wrap a yoga belt or a towel over your right foot, and now try to straighten up. Now if you have difficulty straighten your legs 90 degrees, it's okay. Just straighten it 45 or maybe 70 degrees depending on which is comfortable for you. But the key here is to keep your right knee as straight as you can, and your left knee needs to be straight as well. So now you're holding on to the belt. All you need to do is to slowly pull your right leg closer towards your face. The moment you feel pain or that your right knee gets bent, you pull your leg away from your face. Alright? So let's say we stay at 90 degrees first. The next thing that you need to take note of is to tighten the front of your muscle. Your right thigh, tighten the front right thigh. Once you tighten the front thigh, your hamstring will actually relax naturally, and once it relaxes, you can stretch it even better. Alright, and now use your breath to help you. As you inhale, tighten your right thigh, your right hamstring is relaxed, and as you exhale, slowly pull your leg closer and just stay wherever you are. Alright, so a few key points to remember. Keeping your knee straight. Second, tighten your thigh muscles so that your hamstring will relax. Third, use your breath. Inhale to engage, exhale to pull. One more time. Inhale, engage, exhale, and pull. And this is how you practice your hamstring. Let's try the left knee this time around. So most people will have one leg better than the other. So for me, my left hamstrings are tighter compared to my right hamstring. So all we need to do is just continue to practice more and it will get better. So again, right knee straight, left knee bend. Now hold the towel or the belt over your left foot and straighten up 90 degrees first. Now keep your left knee straight. Okay. Now inhale, engage your left thigh muscle so your left hamstring is relaxed. Exhale, pull, and stay. Now the moment you find that your leg is shaking or left knee is bent, move it away from your face just a little bit. Alright, so let's try again. Inhale, engage, exhale, pull. Keeping your left knee straight. One more time. Inhale, engage, exhale, pull. And so your focus is to just do this every day. Try to pull your leg closer towards your face every day, and that's how we practice our hamstring flexibility. This is very simple, easy way. You can do it at the comfort of your bed. You don't even need a mat. You don't even need a yoga belt. You just need a towel or an old t-shirt that you can fold over your foot, or even just use your hands and grab any parts of your leg to pull. I hope this is a useful advice for you. If you like what you have learned, give me a thumbs up like, give me your comments what are the other videos you would like me to do for you, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you're updated of the other videos that I'm going to upload to teach you more related to yoga and health and fitness. So I wish you a good day ahead and see you in my next video soon.